Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a small lesson on color. Yes, we'll do design, but the focus on color. I chose a variety of things in an extended analogous color harmony. So I started with the key color yellow and then worked across to orange and to red, doing a segment of the color wheel. I've got roses, gerbera, spray rose, crispedia, safflower, and then, of course, following my own rule, 3 different foliages. I have ruscus, leatherfern, and salal. To begin, the flowers are fully hydrated. I've already processed them, removed foliage, cleaned them up, make sure that they're ready to roll, and I'm just preparing each item. And when I'm doing a hand tie, which is what this is going to be, I lay things out so that I can see what I have. So I've got spray roses, I've got regular roses, and I've got crispedia, gerbera daisy, safflower, and I just lay it all out. Thorns have been removed, everything's ready. Then I take my foliage. I have 1 stem of leather fern that I broke apart so that it's 2 pieces. I have 1 stem of ruscus, just setting it in, pulling it all together in my hand. And then I have 2 bits of salal. And you can see I just cluster it in my hand to start the bouquet. Then I can spiral and add my blooms. A yellow spray rose, turning it. An orange rose, turning. Thinking about what I might want in the center. And that could be the crispedia, coming a little taller, sliding it in, then turning again, giving a tug up, maybe the gerbera daisy towards the center, another rose, turning it, a spray rose, and each time I turn it and slide in. Now if you want instruction on doing the hand tie, there's so many online at flowerschool.com. This I'm putting together very rapidly because we're really talking color today, not the bouquet. As you can see, everything is just clustered in my hand. Now I go ahead and finish by adding the rest of the safflower, turning, turning, making sure that I have flowers where I want them to be. The reds, the yellows, the oranges. Then when I'm happy with it, I decide which vase, which I'm going to use this little green vase, I thought that was kind of lovely, and giving it a cut. Notice I'm not even binding it off or tying it. I made it as a hand tie, but then I'm just going to vase it. So I cut the stems down, again, imagining how tall I want it. And then just nestle it right in. And the green becomes an accent to the analogous color harmony. Referring back to the color wheel, thinking of the extended analogous, the yellow into the orange, over to the red. The green, being the complement of red, really becomes just an accent. The focus is on the analogous of the flowers. But what happens if we adjust the color of the vase? This is where you can expand upon the unity of your design, add visual value. What if we put it into orange? So it pulled the orange from the flowers on down, creating a longer line to the design. What if we added it with yellow? You can see picking up the yellow of the crispedia, pulling it all the way down. Totally different. What if you went to a neutral, a non-color, using black or white? Again, a totally and complete different look to an analogous design. Each of these designs were created in the same way: a hand tie, cut, and drop in the vase. The recipe, identical. 1 stem of leather, 1 stem of salal, and 1 stem of ruscus. Then I went to 3 roses, 3 spray roses, and 3 crispedia. Lastly, there's 1 gerbera and one stem of safflower. And you can see they all look beautiful no matter which color the vessel. The power of color. It makes such a difference in every design. Which one is your favorite? Do you like carrying on the orange? Do you like the drama of black and white? Which one piques your interest? The power of color makes you like, dislike, buy, or not buy. You'll find more creative inspiration and lots more information on our website at flowerschool.com. Of course, we do advanced color theory in all of our classes, so join us for Flower School. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. You can reach us at the website or pick up the telephone at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. Get out the color wheel, think about your color harmony, and create a design. Be sure to post it on social media and tag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.